Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Fifth Third Bank mortgage account. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now in the Google search bar, search for Fifth Third Bank mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Fifth Third Bank. Now, to log in to your account, you can go ahead, click Login and select the type of banking you want to enter into, and then hit your user ID, your password, and then click on Login. So this is the login process to enter the Fifth Third Bank. Now for the mortgage one, go to Lending Space Login and press Continue, or it will directly load this page which says LoanSpare Lending Space. So click on the username, your password, and login. This way you can log in to the Fifth Third Bank mortgage account easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your Fifth Third mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.